Here we are at 795 West Hill in Idaho Falls, Idaho. Give you a street view here. Let's have a nice tree here in the yard. Landscaping here on the edge, on the front of the home. It's a one-car garage. As we head into the home, we walk right into the living room. There's a landing strip here. This hallway goes down the home and it has some bedrooms off the side. This is the first bedroom. Closet there with some bifold doors. More closet space here on our left. Second bedroom here. It has bifold doors as well for the closet. Another bedroom. This window faces the backyard. This has the biggest closet. There's a bathroom here at the end of the hall. The toilet's there in the corner. And then this opens up again into the living room. And the front door where we came in. There's a bar here. It kind of separates the living room from the kitchen. A lot of cupboard space. This will open up into the garage. I'll show you the backyard. It's fully fenced. Storage shed there in the corner. Make that pretty usable. This is the kitchen. It does have a ceiling fan overhead. We're in the dining portion of it now. And the stairs leading down to the basement. It's partially finished. You have access to the hot water heater and the furnace. And there's a couple bedrooms. That are finished. This is the living room. Nice big open room down here. The rest of it's unfinished, but it makes great storage. You do have a lot of space down here, and along this edge of the home is where the washer and dryer goes. Your hookups are in there. And that concludes our tour. Thank you for watching. This is BMG Rentals Property Management. If you have questions or would like to see the home, give us a call or visit our website at bmgrent.com. Thanks.